Hi, hope you guys are doing well. So today is Tuesday. Today is Tuesday. In fact, I just packed somewhere where I'm coming to. I packed somewhere, the place I'm coming to. But let me give you guys a backstory to how I ended up here. Okay, so I was on my own. A few days ago, and I got an email from a United Nations organization asking if I was interested in attending a launch where they're going to be hosting 2 Dubai influencers coming to Nigeria for the first time. First of all, I was like, is this mail legit? Because you guys know as creators we always get spam emails every now and again. So in my head I'm like, wait first, is this email legit first? Where did UN people see me? Where did the United Nations organization see me? Where did they see me? But it just boils down to, guys, people are watching. Okay, you think nobody knows you, you think nobody watches you. People, I mean, who would have thought? To be honest, this is the very first time that a United Nations organization is inviting me for anything as a digital creator. Like, it's just mind-blowing. It's just crazy. My mind was completely blown. But anyways, so 2 massive Dubai influencers are in Nigeria for the very first time, Salama and Khalid. You guys may know them on Instagram because I've seen them on Instagram a lot of times, and I actually do love their content. They are a married couple living in Dubai, and they're in Nigeria for the first time working with the UNHCR, and just having, I don't know, but guys, these 2 people have a massive following on Instagram. Salama has about 2.5 million and Khalid has about 1 something million. Like, they are not moi influencers, they are up there, okay? And just to be recognized like this, for this UN organization to reach out to me as an Abuja based digital content creator to have lunch with these 2 people is just mind-blowing. It's just crazy. It's just, guys, I don't know what's going on, but I'm just super excited about this. I just got here. I'm about 10 minutes late. I didn't want to be late. You guys know that these people are Oibo, they keep to time, so you cannot be doing African time around here. That's how they operate, all of these organizations. So I just got here. I'm wearing this outfit from wura.ng. It's a set, so a top and a pants set. I love this beautiful powder blue color. I really love it. I created content today, so I've had this makeup on since morning, so I just did like a touch up and I'm flying my braids. And yeah, guys, I'm just super excited for this opportunity. That's where it starts from here. Maybe the UN may want to do something with influencers tomorrow, and you know, your name would come up. Like, it's just mind-blowing that my name is even in this. It's just crazy. But anyway, guys, let's go in. I'm going to have a lot of fun today and meet Salama and Khalid and, you know, staff of the UNHCR, and I'm just, my mind is just blown, guys. Let's go in. I'm very excited.
Hey, I don't get what this is about. You got my head spinning on my shoulders. I feel a burn inside of my chest. See the lines as they blur out. I can feel it knocking me out. You're bringing me higher and higher in every way. And all of my doubts, I can feel them fading away.
Hi.
How are you? Fine.
Hi, nice to meet you. Hi, nice to meet you. I know.
Let me text you.
Hi.
Lebanon, right after the port blast that happened there. That was, again, when these things happen, there's an immediate tragedy, but then Lebanon is one of the biggest places for refugees. So there's a domino effect that happened. Where else? We went to Uganda, Salam and I, to cover the South Sudanese refugees. And this is our first trip to Nigeria with the UNHCR, and we're now high profile. I think they call us high profile supporters, but we're just supporters who just love to get on the ground, tell the stories, and raise funds and support the great work that you're all doing in any way that we can. Can we give a round of applause for John?
Yes.
It's gonna be the theme. Like I think everyone's gonna introduce him. They're gonna clap. So just don't want anyone to get scared.
Well, hi everyone, and thank you so much for coming. My name is Sarah Mohammed. I'm Khaled's wife, and I'm a mother of 3 kids. If you include Khaled,
Yeah.
it's been I started Peaceful, which I'm trying on daily basis to channel that as well to support the UNHCR and raising awareness, changing the narrative, helping as much as we can. I think being in the field and being around everyone from the UNHCR, from the beautiful countries, from you guys, it just inspires us on a daily basis to try to do good and tell the stories in a different light. Often when we think of refugees, we think, you know, the sad stories, but we're here to change that. We're here to bring some hope into the table. And pretty much I'm excited to hear all about you.
Initiative, and we have a school in Kano, and we house 127 children from very poor backgrounds. So that's something I'm really proud of, and it's something that I would want us to partner with UNHCR for. So yes, basically.
It makes me feel humbled that you care about refugees and displaced people, IDPs. And I like also very much what Colin said that.
Hi. I know you. Instagram, YouTube.
Mine is not working either. I can't even browse.
Hi. Hi, Amita. I know. Good to see you again, and you look amazing.
Culture, everything about the place. We're gonna keep coming back here, keep learning more, and spreading the great stories of your beautiful country and your beautiful culture, inshallah. Much love. God bless.
Thank you. Bye. Hi guys. Today is what is today, guys? See, I always lose track of what day of the week it is because anyway, I think today is today's Thursday. Yeah, today's Thursday, guys. How you guys doing? So today I actually have a shoot, which is why I'm all glammed up in pink makeup. So you guys know that we're in the month of October, and the month of October is Breast Cancer Awareness Month, signified by the color pink, the pink ribbon and all of that. So my friend Tango of Moms That Brunch is hosting a Barbie party on Sunday, in the next 3 days, yeah, on Sunday, and dress code is like all pink, shades of pink and all of that. But before that, we're having a shoot today for Breast Cancer Awareness Month, yeah, which is why I'm decked in pink. My outfit is also pink. You guys would see that as well. It's quite a lot of outfits. It's a lot of dress, but you guys would see. I just got here. I'm not sure if anybody else is here yet. So it's myself, Tengu, Nena, and I think a couple of other ladies are joining us for this shoot. So I think we're about 5 or 6, I'm not sure, but yeah, anyway, that's what I'm doing here today, and just thought to update you guys and give you guys an intro into this. And yeah, anyway, let's go in and let's see what is going on. Waka waka. Hi, I love your dress. Ooh, ooh. New studio. Oh, that's so nice. Julietta. Hi, girl. Hi, Weenie. Hi. Hi. Hi, Abby. Hot peridot. Hot peridot. Hi, Tango in the sequin suits. I love it. Yes, 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 yes. Sequin is sequining. And one in pink. And one in pink. Ooh, wow. Oh my God, it's a lot of dress. Wow. Tango, look at my picture. I'm ready. Give it to me, baby.
There is only one of you, only one of me. There's a million of those who won't let us be, but they're not gonna see me bleed. Cause baby, I got you, 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 you. I've been beaten to the ground, dragged across the dirt. I've been scared to live cause some people never learn. But they're not gonna watch me burn. Cause baby I got you. It's a new beginnings and a better life. It's the dancing underneath the disco lights. They can try but they can never take me down. Ooh, cause I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not. I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love. A better life is the dancing underneath the disco lights. They can try but they can never take me down. Cause I'm not afraid. I'm not
Oh, hi guys, hope you guys are doing well. Today is Sunday and I'm out of my house. It's literally 10 a.m. on a Sunday morning, and it's going to be a very busy day today because today is Moms at Brunch Barbie party. I think I mentioned this in some clips ago or so. So the Barbie party is today. Remember I said that October is Breast Cancer Awareness Month, and in the spirit, who puts this seatbelt like this? It's my husband and me, Aruzo. But yeah, in the spirit of breast cancer awareness, Moms at Brunch is throwing a Barbie party slash brunch today. All shades of pink is a dress code. It's gonna literally be pink today, and I'm actually the MC slash host for this event. I didn't even know until a few days ago. Tango, if you're watching. But anyway, I got my dress yesterday, the dress I want to wear for the event. I got it yesterday and it had some problems, so I had to send back the dress this morning, guys, very early this morning. And I'm hoping and praying I get it back in time to be there early enough as per hosts now. But yeah, anyway, I just got to ShopRite and I want to pick a few things. I want to make like a stir fried rice or something with chicken for Jesse and Mia, since I won't be around this afternoon and this evening. I want them to have something ready to eat when they get hungry. So yeah, that's what I'm doing here. I want to just get the ingredients. I have some ingredients at home. I want to get a few ingredients here, go back home, make this stir fried rice, express stir fried rice, and start getting ready for this event and start waiting for my dress. So yeah, anyway, that's about this Sunday morning, and let's go in.
These are bad. Look at that. That's why I always check, because if I don't check, this one looks okay. ridiculous is that? What the hell? Oh, wow. Going with this one. It has the green pepper combo.
I know it's a toss up, but I hate the fact that we lost touch. Ayy, the Uber pulling up on call. Tell me, is you trying to fall through? I'ma leave it up to you. What you wanna do? Look, I'm trying to spend this time with you. Know we overdue. What you doing right now? Baby, won't you swing my way? It's been a day and I've been thinking out loud. I know I want you. Long time since the last time. Got a tab, we could run up. Knew you from the way, now we grown up. My look, yeah, made the realest ones nervous. But if you want it, tap in. I think that I know somewhere that we could go to crash land. We could keep the pace on slow jam. Don't leave me on red. Can we go back where we first began? No plans, all we had was the moment. This text, I know it's a toss-up, but I hate the fact that we lost touch. Yeah, the Uber pulling up on call. Tell me, is you trying to fall through? I'ma leave it up to you. What you wanna do? We was raised a little different. Used to be ashamed who I was, now I'm paid by the sentence. Taking my time with it. Baby, give me yours, so I could get them butterflies trapped in your rib cage. Let me know we on the same page. Give me with a text, voice note or an emoji. Waiting all day for your name on the ID. So if you want it, tap in. I think that I know somewhere that we could go to crash land.
It's you or somebody you know. So it's always there in our minds, but we don't care to know much about it. Over 100,000 people have cancer in Nigeria every year. And out of this number, over 25% is breast cancer. Like breast cancer has the highest number of people. So for me, I noticed a lump in my left breast. And the first doctor said it was benign. Nobody knows the cause of these benign lumps as well, but it can just be removed or sometimes they will dissolve on their own.
Give us! Hey! Give us! Hey! Come on! Come on!
We could keep the pace on slow jam. Don't leave me on red. Can we go back where we first began? No plans, all we had was the moment. Just text, I know it's a toss-up, but I hate the fact that we lost touch. Yeah.
So I say it to you. It's for the way you look at me.
For Dojo.
Nutmeg.
Okay.
The spice.
Right there. Yes. Yes.
Pop, pop.
Yes.
Take the expression in the video. Yes. Great.
Yes. Yes.
Put one teaspoon in a cup of tea.
Okay.
And then come back in time.
Ha! Wahala! Wahala! Wahala!
You want to stand out with everything right. Not too much. Extra.
Tell me, is you trying to fuck?
Thank you so much, Bobby. Thank you so much. Seat by seat. This seat first. Here, here, here.
I'ma leave it up to you. What you wanna do?
Okay, are we ready, ladies? Are your balloons ready? Not please. You boss your balloons one after the other. Alright, are we ready now? Okay. EJ, give them something that they can use their bum. Alright, are you ready? Ready? Start. Go! Let's go! Okay, NASA finished first. NASA actually finished first, guys. Okay. Congratulations, NASA. You came out very excited for this day. Your bum got today. So congratulations. And this is a game that we play at almost all Moms at Brunch events.
Farmers.
Yeah, the last game, please come forward. Chiwe, I need just 5 contestants. Oh, I can see more than 5.
I'm not among them.
So anybody who doesn't get their word in 10 seconds, or who doesn't sing a song with that word in that song in 10 seconds is out of the game. Okay? Alright, so Chiwe is my first contestant. Are you ready, Chiwe? You're already sweaty. It's not Cambridge. The first word is Barbie. I'm a Barbie.
In a Barbie world.
I don't know again. Okay. Let me stop that first. Goodies. Goodie bag. Goodie bag from You want to know goodies? I love the attitude. Okay. All right. Your word is party. 1, 2, 3. Party. I want to.
7, 8,
I like to party hard.
Which song is
This
that?
is
That's the song now. No. Oh no. Party hard. That's the song. Okay.
No, you started playing. Princess.
Hey, God.
Princess. Your word is woman. My woman. You're my woman.
Yes, you did. 5.
You know that at this point the words get hard, the words get tough. Alright? The word is sensitivity. Wait, she raised her hand first. Keep your thumb. Sensitivity. Creep. She got this. Chiwe got this, and Chiwe is our winner. So creep by TLC.
I love it now.
That's for us.
Always
I know that we best dressed not only about the outfit, it's about attitude. It's about how you carry your outfit. You know, it's everything encompassed in one. So our judges, the fair lady that came out just now. Who is the fair lady? Chiwe. Aww, Chiwe. Alright. Okay, I see.
put
Yeah.
thought into this event.
You too, you guys.
Okay, so we have how many here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. My own best dress is. I speak myself. I can't people. Esther. Yes. So that makes it 8. Mimi. Dress prize, let me see your hands up. Esther, you can still do what you want to do. Still twirl if you want to twirl. Catwalk if you want to. How many hands? 3 hands. Alright? Okay, Esther. This way. Thank you. So Esther has 4. So if you would like Julietta to be the best dressed Barbie, can I see your hands, please? Count my hands. Count my hands, please. Okay. 9. Okay. Alright, Julietta. You're still in the running to become our best dressed Barbie. Okay. Let's have Chinwe, the beautiful Oyibo. Alright. Can I see how many hands for Chinwe here, please? How many hands? How many hands for Chinwe? We love her to be the best dressed Barbie for tonight. Let me see your hands.
Okay,
up.
we can't vote twice, Abby.
1. Oh, baby. I love your outfit. Oh, wow. These outfits was have really made a mark today. Oh, my God. Okay, how many do we have? 10. Look at that. Gorgeous. Yes. All right. Okay, girl. Yes. Thank you so much. A one-night stay at Hera Hotel. Woo! A Get Fit gift box. A massage from Mira Skin Care Center. Lunch for 2 here at Hustle and Bustle. Amazing. All of this is congratulations, Abby. All I do is win, 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 no matter what.